Here's how to transfer money from Wise to a bank account. Open the Wise app and tap the Send button. Tap the Add button in the top right corner and choose the recipient currency, which is the currency they will receive. Select Bank Details as the delivery method and select the recipient. Tap on Myself if you are moving money to your own external bank account. Tap Someone Else if you are paying a friend, family member, or business. Enter the recipient's bank details. For local bank accounts, you usually just need their account number and bank name and the name of the recipient. But for US accounts, you need a routing number and account number. For Europe or international accounts, you need the IBAN and sometimes the BIC or SWIFT code. You'll need to ask the recipient for these details. In the 2026 app version, you can often use the upload screenshot feature to let Wise's AI automatically fill in these details from a photo of a bank statement or message. Tap Continue after the details are saved. Enter the amount you wish to send, and Wise will show you the real-time exchange rate and the exact arrival time. Review the summary and tap Confirm to send.